Today we're going to learn how to create a child theme for WordPress. Child themes are a way to edit any WordPress theme there is in a non-destructive manner. That's one reason. That's reason number one why you'd want to create use a child theme for your edits. Reason number two is typically themes that you get updated from time to time, and if you go editing like the style sheet of the original theme, functions, PHP, or any of the files like the header file, footer file, index file, whatever you edited on the original, when you update that theme to a later version, all the edits that you did previously will get overwritten and be gone. You can use a child theme to prevent that from happening, because WordPress has a built-in system where if you create a child theme, the original theme loads, style sheet and all that, and then everything about the child theme loads last, which will overwrite all your edits will overwrite the corresponding part in the original theme. So it's very easy to create a child theme. First thing you want to do is you want to log into your of course where your WordPress is located, and go into WP content and the themes. And in this particular case, Vantage is the one I want to create a child theme for. So what we want to do is we want to create a new directory, and I typically name them whatever the name of the theme is that I'm child theming on. I'll do it like this: VANTAG Vantage-child. So we'll know that that's the child theme of this particular theme right here. That's a common way of doing it. Now once we get in there, all you need to create a child theme is a style sheet. So we're going to create a new file, and we're going to call it style CSS. Now this style CSS here will load after the original style CSS here, and any edits will overwrite whatever the corresponding part is in the original style sheet. So, but to start with, I want to get the header information off the original style sheet, so I'm going to open that up, and I'm just going to copy and paste this header part into my child theme style sheet. Alright, now we're going to rename this. We're going to rename some stuff up here. I'm going to call this Vantage Child Theme. And this site here is no longer the author of this child theme. I am. So I'm going to put my website. And I'm going to put this. And we will just replace the theme URI right here. And let's go right child theme of the Vantage theme. And I'm going to give this a licensed version of 10.0. You can get whatever number you want. And we'll take these out because these are tags that are used if you put this in the WordPress deposit for themes and stuff. And let's take that out. Those are tags that will go by there. One thing you do need to add, you need to tell this child theme what the name of the directory the parent theme is in. So you do that by, and I'm going to do this right under the URI here, theme URI. Right template, colon, space, if you remember. So let's see, let's get back here. Vantage was the original one, lowercase v. And we're inside the original site with the original Vantage theme in it right now. Go into appearance and you'll see it is the active theme right here. Okay, the final step to preparing our child theme is to actually import the original style sheet into the child theme style sheet and only the edits we make in the child theme style sheet will overwrite the originals. And we're going to do that with an @import command. So we'll do @import URL, and we're going to open and close and use my 2 tick marks, and we're going to go up one directory /vantage/ we're going to go into that directory and grab style.css. Whoops. And we're going to close that just like that. Close it with the semicolon there. Okay, we're going to save this. I'm going to double check. I'm going to go ahead and go into here. I'll close this out because I like to double check, make sure everything worked. Let's go ahead and open with. And there it is. Alright, let's see if it actually worked. We're going to go back into our website. And we're going to refresh. And if it works, it's going to give us a new theme to, and there it is. We're going to go ahead and activate this Vantage Child theme. And we'll preview our site. And you'll notice nothing has changed. That's because it's imported. The original style sheet is still at work, imported through the child style sheet. Now I can make my CSS edits in that new child style sheet. And because it is non-destructive, if I mess up and I can't figure out how to straighten it up, all I got to do is delete that style sheet that's in the child directory, and it will go back using the original one. And there's one you would do this with other files as well too. Let's say you wanted to make some edits to your header file. Well, in order to do that, you would just simply go to your original theme. See, where's it at? Right here. And you would grab header PHP and throw it into the child. Let's go ahead and close up all this. And you see I have header PHP in here. Make your edits. Leave the header PHP in the child directory, child theme directory, and it will use that header PHP instead of the original header PHP. And again, it's non-destructive. If you mess up, just delete it. Uses the original header PHP. You can start over. The only thing you wouldn't do that, the one file that you would not do that way will be functions PHP. So we're going to go ahead and create that in the child theme directory. And let's go ahead and open this. And we're going to, and you don't necessarily need the closing tag in functions PHP, but I like to do it anyway, just for the sake of doing it. So in functions PHP, you only put in whatever functions you want to work with. You do not bring the entire functions PHP file into your child theme directory. You will get nothing but errors. It will not work that way. You create you a functions PHP file for your child theme directory, and once in there, you only put the PHP functions new PHP functions that you want to use into your functions PHP directory. Functions PHP file, excuse me. And that's really all there is to creating a child theme for WordPress. For more videos, tutorials, just not even here on YouTube, go to my website, skeeterz71.com, and there's many video tutorials, WordPress, web design, Photoshop, Illustrator, Dreamweaver, a whole bunch of stuff, and they're all free. You have a good day.